Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and mechanical fit. Make sure both stabilizer and camera batteries are charged to at least 80% so motors calibrate reliably. Attach the quick-release plate to your camera and tighten the screw firmly but not over-forcefully so the mount won't shift. Once done, align the plate with the stabilizer base pins and slide it straight in until you hear the click. This secures the camera and gives you a stable foundation to balance and power up safely. Now you balance the system mechanically before engaging motors. Start with rough adjustments. Shift the camera on the plate to level tilt, move side arms to center roll, and adjust pan until it suspends neutrally. Once roughly balanced, make fine micro adjustments so the camera stays level when you gently nudge it. This reduces motor strain. After the camera holds its position hands-off, power on the stabilizer motors. Make sure the unit boots fully. Listen for confirmation beeps and observe motor correction. Finish by calibrating sensors and confirming settings. You should run IMU and axis calibrations through the stabilizer app or menu so the firmware knows the camera orientation. This improves stability. Then configure follow modes, motor strength, and angle limits to match your shot style, and test with slow pans and tilts to verify smooth behavior. If you see drift or jitter, rebalance and run calibration again, check for loose screws, and update firmware. These troubleshooting steps fix most persistent issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.